Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I just woke up just now. I woke up to my Bitcoin trade from yesterday. It was a 2 Bitcoin trade, hit the stop loss, which is unfortunate, but that's why I have a stop loss. I shouldn't have opened the Bitcoin trade yesterday. I was right in my video saying we're at resistance. We shouldn't open a trade at resistance, and that was correct. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up and down there, turn on the bell notification down there. I'm going to show you my IOTA trade. IOTA trade is pumping like crazy. MCRT is going up. And I'm going to show you technical analysis on Bitcoin in the video. Stay through to the end. I've got there's some amazing price to show you. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. The market yesterday, IDEX up 10%. Stocks were closed. IOTA up 4%, and I have a almost $100,000 trade on IOTA. I tried to build it to $250,000 trade at 17 cents, if you remember. Now it's up massive. I'm going to show you that trade. It's up $17,000 or $16,000 in the profits. MCRT is up 3%. Pay attention to MCRT. The halving takes place in 3 days. The halving, it's come back onto the support of this descending trend line. Massive volume coming in. The halving takes place in 3 days. So, you got to check that out. It's massive 100% pump. Now it's came down to the daily and weekly, monthly supports and strong bounce. Volume is consistently increasing. This announcement was from the Steam announcement. We had this massive movement, and the volume has been growing since then. Coming down to now breaking through that downtrend and that resistance line. Let's see if it's got the next leg of this wave coming, which is beautiful. Let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin 27,500. We had that breakout yesterday. I went long on that breakout, which is a mistake. Why? Because it wasn't 70% of the descending triangle. 70% of the triangle would be here for the breakout. So that was a mistake. But I did think this W formation, the good news on the Fed, the printing, the American government going to print another 4 trillion. I thought that would push out Bitcoin here, but we got rejected from this resistance line. The trend is your friend until the end. I got to remember, the trend is always your friend. So this was a point to get resisted. I should have gone short here actually, and then taken the long from the 70% move. Let's see what happens now. That the stop loss was hit on that trade. I made a 2 Bitcoin. Look at that. It came down, hit my stop loss by a few $100 and then bounce back. Unfortunately, it's back at the same point that the trade opened even. I ran bad on that trade. It literally came down, hit my stop loss, and then pumped back up to where it was, unfortunately. Still looks a little bit bull flaggy to me in the short term. Still seeing this cup and handle formation. This is a confirmed kind of cup and handle formation. We had a double bottom here, so it's still looking bullish in the short term. Let's go just off the stochastic on this one, because difficult to see. Stochastic overbought on the 4 hourly. It reset and it's turning back up now. Oh, that sucks. It came down, he touched my stop loss by a few $100 and then bounced back. That's shitty. But I didn't lose too much because I opened the trade just here. So I had expected that we would get rejected and then move up. But my stop loss was a little bit too close. It was perfect setup actually. But it would have been good where I should have gone long. One, I didn't go long exactly on the breakout actually. If you watched my video, I actually set the trade to open where we are right now. So it did pull back exactly where I thought, and then the stop loss, then it wicked down, hit the stop loss, then went back to where I thought, which is unfortunate. Stochastic turning up, volume coming in on the 4 hourly. On the hourly, stochastic turning up very strongly with volume. On the 15 minutes, slightly overbought. So it looks like it could have a run here. Let's go on to the daily. On the daily, it's overbought a little bit. We got rejected off this downtrend line. I would go long from this breakout confirmation. Go long from here, 27,200. Actually, the major areas of support is here. So that's where I'd go long, stop loss just underneath, and go for that breakout. That I should have known actually. One, we had the resistance there. I need to learn from my mistakes. That's the point of hitting a stop loss. That's the point of losing trades. It's to learn and study. So this was the resistance. I should have known. It was a high chance that it broke through here. That's why I did it. I thought it would get a little bit rejected and then go long. But it hit the stop loss there. Just came down and hit my stop loss, unfortunately. But this is the trade setup I would take on Bitcoin. What could happen here? We can either do this on Bitcoin, come down to this support, bounce off and move up. It could come down to here, but it's hugging the top here, so it's not coming down to that white trend line anymore. It's showing bullishness. It could come down to 24,000 and then go long from there. That would make sense. That's the triangle's formation. But again, the price keeps hugging this this trend line. It doesn't come down to that white line on the bottom. So again, showing strength. I would go long from all these supports here, from these support lines, stop loss just underneath, and take profit at the resistance. 35, 32 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $260, $262 to make $8,594 with 10x leverage. That would be $85,000 of profits. I will open this trade right now on Bitcoin, 26,556. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, under this video, and go down in the description of video 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the crypto mastercourse, learn how to set up your charts. There's a special promo as well. Learn how to set up your charts, how to trade, how to do technical analysis. If you've been losing money, if you've been watching my charts and you want to learn how, and if you want to learn how to trade, take the crypto mastercourse. Then trade on Bybit. You get $30,000 free bonus when you meet all the trading requirements. And until tomorrow, you get a free $1,000 trade when you sign up to Bybit. And if you have any restrictions, you can use VPN and use the DEX. The Apex DEX on Bybit. So you can use VPN if you have any restrictions, and Apex DEX, and then there's no KYC, there's no restrictions. Be part of the trading family. Join 8,500 free people on the Telegram. It's free and you can trade together. So once you sign up to Bybit, this is the trading account that you get. I'm going to set up this Bitcoin trade. My IOTA trade is currently $16,943 in the profits. If you watch that trade, $17,200 in the profits now, 85%. I used $20,000 to make $17,000. So that $20,000 has now turned into nearly $40,000. The realized profit for just even holding this trade open is $377, which is beautiful. So I used $20,000 to now I have around $37,000 from $20,000, which is beautiful. It's a $97,000 trade. I wanted to build that trade to $250,000 if you remember when it came down, but it had some restrictions. But anyway, $17,200 on this trade in the profits. On IOTA, I opened at 0.179. My liquidation is 0.147. It's only moved around 4 cents. If it hits my target of the longer term trade on IOTA, my target is $2.50. The previous, it will be 1.26 million, 1.2 million I will get. In this account, I have 295,000. Even with my Bitcoin trade drop yesterday, still up in this account, nearing the $300,000 again, which is beautiful, up from around $150,000 a month and a half ago. In here, I've got USDT, I've got 43,000 MCRT. MCRT pumped 3% today, which is beautiful. Bitcoin, I've got 1.5 Bitcoin in here. I've got Uniswap, 17,400. I've got FXS, 13,800. I want to accumulate more FXS as well. And this is my IOTA trade. And if to set up the Bitcoin trade now, I'm going to show you this Bitcoin trade off this support. So I'm going to set this trade up. So 26,556. 26,556 is where the trade will open. I'll do a 1 Bitcoin trade. Take profit is going to be 35,000 and stop loss is 26,300. 35,000. 26,500. So I'm risking $56 to make $8,400. Confirm. I'm going to modify that because I can risk more. It's too little risk, so I'm risking $156 to make $8,400. Confirmed. Open long. That 1 Bitcoin trade, which is $26,000, will open at 26,556. Confirmed. That trade is now set on Bitcoin. I still have these IOTA trades, but it doesn't look like IOTA is going to pull back. And my IOTA trade is now $17,200 in the profits, which is beautiful. Also, make sure you check out MCRT. The halving, you can get MCRT on PancakeSwap. So if you go into PancakeSwap, .finance, PancakeSwap, you can get it on multiple exchanges, but on PancakeSwap, decentralized exchange, so anyone can trade MCRT. $1,000 currently gets you $1,000. See if it loads. I'll load it. So USDT, 1000 USDT. It's taking so slow load. Pancake swap. It's around 300,000 MCRT at the moment. 1,000 US dollars gets you around 300,000 MCRT, which is beautiful. And you can also get MCRT on many different exchanges. This is MCRT up 2.6% today. Strong move today, which is beautiful. And you can get MCRT on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Huobi, Bybit, Gate, BitGet, Mexi, Bitmart, and many other exchanges are holding MCRT. But all the bigger ones, Bybit, Huobi, BitGet, Bitmart, you can get MCRT on there and also on PancakeSwap. So you can swap on PancakeSwap through the decentralized exchange as well. But for some reason, PancakeSwap is laggy. And there is an announcement. So again, all the links are down below. Start the crypto master course, Bybit trading, join the Telegram, use NordVPN and MCRT on PancakeSwap. Also, there's an announcement coming. I'm going to show you. This is the MCRT lobby page. They've added how to connecting your wallet and things like this, and they just made it more beautiful, more simple. They've also added a tutorial. So if you go to lobby.magiccraft.io, you can see how the lobby system works to play games for MCRT for money. And Magiccraft, 3 days to go until the halving occurs. Halving is going to be on the 1st of June, which is very cool. Join my Telegram group. It's free. The link is in the description. 65% profit this great. My first ever trade thanks to CryptoGuru. Beautiful. People learning TA, discussing together. This student made 500% on Sui. Magiccraft is the fastest growing game by players, the second fastest growing game by players, which is beautiful. You can win tickets to Web3 Berlin, and you can meet the Magiccraft team, Web3 Berlin. You have to go to my Instagram. The link is in the description. And this was what I posted on IOTA, that if it plays out this bigger W, like this is the setup we have right now on the smaller time frame. You can see this small time frame, this potential breakout, which is now broken out. Let's go into IOTA. You can see that this breakout has already occurred. MCRT is up 2.8% and IOTA is up 3.9%. This breakout has already occurred that I've been talking about. Look, we're sitting above it. We're sitting above IOTA breakout. And unlike the previous Bitcoin trade, this is at the right time. This is at the end of the this descending triangle. It's at the end of the building pressure. It's perfect time to actually break out and make a move to 33 cents, which will be beautiful. It hits 33 cents. My IOTA trade, I'm going to hold it for a longer term, but if it hits 33, it will be worth... This trade will be $82,000 in the profits, which is beautiful. Using $20,000 to make $82,000. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my updates on Magiccraft, on IOTA, on Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button. Go down below, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sign up to the crypto course, learn how to trade, and sign up to Bybit. There's a free $1,000 trade until tomorrow. And check out Magiccraft, 3 days until the halving, which is going to be epic. There's a countdown on the lobby. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.